Meaning of equerry.
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 Equerry. An equerry is a personal attendant to a monarch or other member of a royal family, who assists with various duties such as dressing, organizing events, and managing affairs. The term can also refer to an officer in the British Army who serves as an administrative aide to a higher-ranked officer. Overall, the role of an equerry involves providing practical support and assistance to a person in a position of power or authority, helping to ensure that their day-to-day life runs smoothly and efficiently.